friends, my name is Varshka and today I am going to tell you how to make a wonderful easy card which you can make almost in 2 minutes. This is a quarantine, you know very well, and we can't go out, we need to spend time at home. So what do we do at home? So I am utilizing this time to make my videos. I hope you will like my videos. I am going to make this type of card. This, you can see, this is an amazing card and I am sure that you will like it. If you like my videos, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates. So let's start making this. For this you will need one A4 size sheet. You can take of any color, and according to that contrast you need to take another half. These two sheets should be equal. See, these are equal and one should be half and one should be full. So we will start making it. This is A4 size sheet and I am folding this into half like this, and then fold it like this way and take one sheet and fold it to the center. The same process on the other side. Now open this, and here you have to draw lines. Some lines of 1 centimeter distance which I have already drawn on this side. You can draw on either side. And now I'm gonna cut only these lines, nothing else. So I've cut these lines, and then I'll erase these lines with the help of an eraser. Now the part of this A4 sheet is done. We'll take a other sheet. This we have cut it in half. Then we will again fold it in half. Like this, and I'm gonna cut it with the help of a cutter. So I have cut in 2 parts, and then we will take a card. You must sure know how to weave, or not weave, you must have seen someone weaving. We'll take this. Now you need to add this like this, in this form of pattern. So I have done it. This, hold it like this, then you will see an opening. Open it, and then from behind, this our card is ready. And with a black pen or permanent marker, in these strips we can write anything. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for more updates of my video. Be safe, be at home. Thank you.